Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Christian Christmas music is probably one of the most cherished and soul-stirring collections of songs during the holiday season, offering a unique blend of festive cheer and profound spiritual reflection that resonates deeply with listeners seeking to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ with music that honors his significance. This curated selection aims to bring the true spirit of Christmas into your homes, providing a soundtrack that elevates the joy, peace, and hope found in the Nativity story, making your holiday celebrations more meaningful and spiritually uplifting than ever before. Number 5. WITFOX Acrylic Spotify Song Plaque. Looking for a truly unique gift? This custom song plaque is a perfect and surprising present for your loved ones or even yourself. It's designed to capture special memories. Turn your favorite song and a cherished photo into a beautiful music plaque. It's a wonderful way to commemorate a special moment, enhanced by a personal image. Add a vibrant touch to your room with this personalized plaque and its colorful light base. Let it fill your life with color and energy. Crafted from shatterproof, thicker acrylic, this plaque is built to last. You can choose from various bases, including options with colorful LED lights. Customizing your plaque is simple. Just click to personalize, upload your photo, add text, and select your preferred base. We're here to help with any questions. Whether it's for your partner, friend, or family, this custom gift is sure to impress. It's a thoughtful way to show you care with a personal touch. What we like? This personalized Spotify plaque is a truly unique gift idea. It allows you to immortalize a special song and a cherished photo in one beautiful piece. If you're looking for a deeply personal and memorable present for a loved one, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This playlist features a beautiful blend of traditional carols and contemporary arrangements, offering a fresh yet reverent take on Christmas classics. The selection of songs is excellent, with a good mix of upbeat, joyful tracks and peaceful, reflective pieces that perfectly capture the spirit of the season. I was impressed by the high-quality production and the clear, crisp sound of each track, making it a joy to listen to throughout the holiday season. Number 4. Mr. Christmas Lights and Sounds Power Strip Stake. Experience the magic of the holidays with this all-in-one system. It synchronizes your outdoor lights with 20 festive songs, creating a captivating display for everyone to enjoy. Take full control of your holiday soundtrack. You can adjust the volume, play songs randomly, select specific tracks, or skip them as you please. Designed to withstand the elements, this unit features weatherized cases that protect it from moisture and dirt. It's also UL listed for safe outdoor use. Easily power multiple light strands with its spacious design. It includes 6 plug-in outlets, providing ample space for all your decorations. Add dynamic flair to your display with 3 distinct synchronized effects. Choose from multiplex, unison, or steady-on for an engaging holiday light show. What we like? This all-in-one system brings your outdoor Christmas decorations to life with synchronized lights and music. It offers a captivating display with 20 songs and multiple effects. If you want to create an immersive and dazzling holiday experience for your neighborhood, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It plays 20 clips of classic Christmas songs, with each song a little over 1 minute in length for a 23-minute light show that loops until you turn off the unit. The lights dance very nicely to each song. The speaker is loud enough to be heard from at least 60 feet away, even with the volume turned only halfway up. It's worth the price and it plays 20 different songs. Number 3. Christmas 16 Most Requested Songs. Get ready to fill your home with the spirit of the season. This collection features the most beloved Christmas songs, perfect for any celebration. We've gathered 16 of the most popular holiday tunes that everyone loves. These songs are sure to bring joy and warmth to your Christmas. Make this holiday unforgettable with the ultimate playlist. It's filled with timeless classics that capture the magic of Christmas. From carols to contemporary hits, these tracks are perfect for singing along. Enjoy the festive melodies throughout the entire holiday period. Let the music enhance your holiday experience. These requested songs are designed to spread cheer and create lasting memories. What we like? This playlist features 16 of the most beloved Christmas songs, perfect for setting a traditional and joyful atmosphere. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys the classic sounds of the holiday season and wants a ready-made collection of timeless carols. What people say. This playlist features a wonderful selection of classic and contemporary Christmas carols, perfect for setting a festive mood. The arrangements are beautiful and well-produced, offering a rich and immersive listening experience. It includes a good mix of upbeat carols and reflective hymns, catering to various preferences during the holiday season. Number 2. Christmas Carols for Piano Sheet Music Book. Unlock the joy of the holiday season with this beginner-friendly piano sheet music book. Perfect for both kids and adults, it's designed for easy learning and joyful playing. Master beloved Christmas carols with clear, easy-to-read notation. This book makes learning festive tunes accessible and fun for all ages. Enhance your learning experience with free accompanying audio. Hear how each carol should sound, helping you perfect your playing. Designed specifically for beginners, this book breaks down complex pieces into manageable steps. Start playing your favorite holiday songs right away. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This sheet music book is a wonderful present for any aspiring pianist or music lover. Share the gift of music this Christmas. This is the first installment in a popular series, offering a solid foundation for your musical journey. Collect them all to expand your repertoire. What we like. This sheet music book is designed for beginner piano players, making it easy to learn and play Christmas carols. With included audio, you can hear how the songs should sound. If you're new to the piano and want to play festive tunes this holiday, this book is a great starting point. What people say. There is a good variety of Christmas songs in here, not just in level of difficult, but in origins of the songs and styles as well. Quality-wise, it's very sturdy. I personally prefer books without any semblance of spine so that they'll lay flat when opened, but with creasing or clip binders this works just fine. It's more durable with this type of binding. Free audio is also included with purchase, which is a nice feature, especially if you are not familiar with all the songs already. Number 1. Easy Guitar Songs, 40 Christmas Carols for Beginners. Unlock the joy of the holiday season with our collection of 40 easy Christmas carols. Perfect for beginners, you'll be playing your favorite tunes in no time. Designed specifically for beginners, this book makes learning guitar fun and accessible. Master classic Christmas songs with simple arrangements. Everything you need is right here. We provide clear sheet music, easy to follow tabs, essential chords, and lyrics for every song. Imagine playing beloved Christmas carols for your friends and family. This guide empowers you to bring the festive spirit to life through music. Begin your musical adventure with these delightful holiday melodies. It's the perfect starting point for any aspiring guitarist looking to play festive songs. What we like. This book provides 40 Christmas carols specifically arranged for beginner guitarists, complete with tabs, chords, and lyrics. If you're looking to strum your favorite holiday songs on the guitar and want a comprehensive guide, this is the resource for you. What people say. This playlist is a fantastic collection of classic and contemporary Christmas carols, perfect for setting a festive mood. The song selection is diverse, featuring a good mix of upbeat carols and reflective hymns that capture the spirit of the season. I love that the playlist includes instrumental versions of popular carols, which are great for background music during holiday gatherings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.